How to translate text using Google Lens. So hello guys, if you want to translate any type of text to another language using Google Lens, like if you have text in written in your any physical pic, like in real life you saw any poster or anything and that have text, and you want to translate it live using Google Lens, how you guys can do that? Or you guys can also translate your gallery pics text. So let's show you how you guys can do that. So for that we'll simply open Google Lens app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store. You guys will simply go to Play Store, search for Google Lens. So I will simply search for Google Lens. Once you search for that, simply download that Google Lens app, and once we download it, simply click on open. So we'll simply click on open. Here you guys will see open camera. So if you are seeing any language or any text in layout, simply click on open camera and scan that. And if you have pic, for example I have that pic, I want to scan that. So here you guys can see when I select it, you guys can see select text translate. So I can select specific text. For example, I want to translate that amount text. So once I select it, I will simply click on translate, and once I click on translate, you guys will see two languages. So for example, I want to select the text that are written. So basically Google Lens automatically detect the language of the text that you uploaded, and you can translate it into any language. For example, I have English on that, so I want to translate it to any other language. I will simply select it, and once I select it, my that text will be translated to that language. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.